Well, hello guys, and this is Rusty Glovebox here, and what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the progress on the Studebaker. I've done a lot of different things. I've installed carpet in the front, I've dyed the carpet in the back, and I've also installed a new console in the car. So let's go over here and let's check it out. Alright, originally the car had this color carpet in it, and that's kind of what I'd call a jade green. And what I ended up installing in it was a black. Well, this is the interior carpet that I've installed, and it came out pretty good. Got everything and got the new console in. And let me get the light positioned in here. What I've got is in here, it's like a cigarette lighter port and a USB charging port, and so that'll be handy. It's got the little caps to keep stuff from falling in there, and I don't plan on using this console as like a little junk box, so I don't think that'll be a problem. It's got the little protective caps on there. Now here on the trunk, what I did, I used the dye, and that seemed to cover really well. And being that the trunk is not going to get the traffic that the front mat will get, I feel like that's going to be fine. I know that jack is a little bit bright, but it may go in there. It'll be easy to find in the dark if you ever have a flat. But anyway, that's progress on the trunk. Got the third brake light. I always like to have one of those, and it looks okay installed in there. So anyway guys, it's just kind of a little quick review of the progress on the Studebaker. And something that I'll be looking forward to tackling was when my vinyl gets in that I've ordered. I am going to do my own door panels. And what I'm going to try is what they call the no-sew method, to where you like glue and lap it over a piece of material and it makes a pleat look. And so I'm looking forward to giving that a shot. It'll save me a lot of money if it works. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. Y'all have a great week. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.